Happy 7-11 everybody! It's Friday and thank God it's Friday. I'm always happy on Fridays, but I decided to have no makeup Friday today to give my skin a chance to breathe. I've had so much makeup on, so not so good, but I indulged a little and it's the first week of the month, so I thought I'd treat myself to some new outfits. So I went on the Double Wood website and ordered a couple of dresses and they just arrived. So thanks to the efficiency of Post Laju, got them in a matter of a couple of days. I think it's awesome. So yay, I enjoy the unwrapping bit so much. Oh look, this time they put it in a greenish, it's like a peacock blue kind of sky. It looks really blue on the screen though, but it's more green than anything. So looky here. Okay, this is a panda treat. La, la, la. Let's see what we've got. Okay, the first one is this blue dress. I shall put them on for you later so you can see how it looks. But these are the ones I picked up. Black, very standard color, and white, my favorite color. So this one has a black trim, sleeved. Look at the back. Zip all the way right to the bottom, so you can adjust how high you want the slit to go. So I think it's cool. What I like about it is the color, of course. And oh, this one's a really interesting piece. Shocking pink. Thought I'd add some color to my wardrobe. I do enjoy wearing colors because I feel like it has an effect on my mood and how I feel, so I love bright colors. So, this. And we'll take a look at the length later. But oh, this one is nice. And this is great. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So what I'm gonna do is try them on, and so that you can see what it looks like. And then maybe I will try and dig out my shoe collection and see what I can match this with. Excited! Alright, so I'll be right back. Don't go away!